Hello everybody, this is Zion Electronics Store. So most of my customers are finding their buttons microwave hard to use, so I'm here to tutor you on how to use your button microwave. This is microwave, this is grill, this is reheat, this is stop and start. So first is to go to microwave, and you see P100, P80, P50, P30, P10. Go to P100, that is the highest. P10 is the froze. So press start and retime. This is 1 minute, then press start. Can you see that it's working? It's working perfectly okay. Then if you want to use the grill, stop it here, double stop. Then you go to the grill G, and you see a symbol here. Then you press, this is C2, then start, then restart again. I'll put it in 1 minute, and the grill is working. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please say thank you on my comment section.